What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and if you guys remember this video right here, start Amazon with no money or little money, earn 500 a week, basically with books and selling on Amazon. Guys, I went out, obviously, and done this method again right here, and today, such a huge killing, literally over $1,500, 100% in profit, 100% free. Not bad at all, guys. It is crazy how well this method works. Like, look at this right here, guys. Like, check this out. All right, so look, this is one of the books I had got right here, and check this. Like, check it out. So as you guys see, this is a brand new book. It's still in the plastic and everything, and it's going for $337 after all the fees and stuff. Now, the only downfall is that I can't sell it in new condition, so I have to use used like new, and I can probably drop it down, like 20 bucks or something. But still gonna make a nice little killing off of that, guys. And all of this stuff was 100% free. Like, look at all of these, all these books here, and I still got plenty more, in the car and everything, guys. Like this one I had found right here. It's a little cheap book or whatnot. This one obviously isn't as good as the other one, but like, just check it out, guys. Like, it was 100% for, like, literally, this is all profit, right? Today, right? So look, $8 right there. Let me see what else we got up here, guys. Like I said, there's just so many of these books here. The only downfall, another downfall is that I accidentally dropped some of them. So like, I dropped them in the snow, so I'm probably not going to be able to sell some of them or not if they, drop up. I mean, if they come back all hardened or whatever, you know. I mean, not hardened, but you guys know what I'm talking about, where the book's all damaged or whatever. So, I mean, after that, then, I mean, you pretty much can't do anything with it. But, yes, look at that. $18, and that's used, guys, right? Brand new, been 30, all right? So I just put used for that, for this one right here, because again, I dropped it, and again, if it doesn't like come back to life or whatever, where it looks good, then obviously you got to sell it as used. All right. So I mean, there's so many books here, guys. Like, literally, just tons and tons and tons of books here that I had got 100% free, and I did it with the method that I showed you guys, literally in the video that's right here on the screen right now. All right, and it is very simple. I don't know why that one's not coming up. Let's try this book right here. Oh, that's probably because of the what you call it. Sometimes that gets stupid. You got to go through it that way. Don't know why that. Yep, see, works no problem. But if you click scan, for some reason it doesn't work sometime. All right. So look at that. Again, can't sell it in brand new condition, so have to use as used like new. But yeah, guys, look at that. That's another 70 something dollars. That's like literally how pretty much all of these are here. There's another book in here somewhere that was worth another 300 something dollars. The only thing I ran into is, again, that this whole not able to sell in new condition. So again, it's not really a huge issue. You see what Amazon's selling it for on here. There's no FBA sellers for a lot of these. Like, I haven't seen too many of them at all for a lot of the books I had got. But yeah, guys, like, I just wanted to show you guys, like, this video like that I put up right here really does work. Like, I mean, I didn't pay for any of these books. Like, this was 100% free. So even if you go out and you're doing, let's say each book is worth $5, right? Because I got a lot of books, that was worth $5 today, but like, they're all 100% profit. Like, I mean, it can't you didn't spend any money, so literally, no matter what, you're gonna be in the green. So even if it costs you $1 for somehow, if to ship every single one, all you got to do is just pay for the shipping. Like, you still will walk away with $3-4 profit every single time. You're not spending any money other than shipping, guys, right? So if you didn't watch this video right here that's on the screen, go watch this video, guys. It explains exactly how I did it, exactly how I get these books for free, and all of that stuff. So again, can't be any easier than this, guys. Like, I mean, I don't know who else is out here telling you guys how to make money like this. Well, I'm just playing. There's a bunch of people out here. But guys, like, literally, just go do it. Like, I'm telling you, stupid easy money. Like, literally easy money. And just be different, guys. Look around and stuff like that. Like, I went to the library today. I'll have some footage that I'm putting in the next video with all the other footage or whatever. But in my area, they have a library here, and they're literally selling hardcover books and for $1, and the softcover books for 50 cents. That's cheaper than the goddamn what is it called, Goodwill. So I mean, just look around, guys. Like, so I'm be definitely making a video on retailing at, well, I don't, not retailing or arbitraging or whatever at the library or whatnot. But yeah, guys, like I'm really about to start hitting it hard with the books. Like, I mean, look at that, 100% free. And let's say, you know, I have to sell it for $50. Again, it was free. It was free. I can't complain. Even if it was going for $10, it was free. I can't complain. Like, and it's not gonna cost a lot of money to send out stuff. Like today, I sent out one box. It was literally 37 pounds, and I paid $8.15 for shipping. Right. So I mean, it's not like it's gonna be a lot, you know, of cost for shipping books and stuff like that. Especially if one book is literally gonna cover the shipping and then everything else, you know, and then some. So I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys here. Go watch this video. It's right here on the channel. If you go to the video part, it's going to be the one that has the, it is right here, right? So start Amazon FBA. It has the picture with the little smiley face with the tongue sticking out. If you didn't watch the video on what I spent $84,000 on last year, showed you guys the proof and everything, definitely make sure you go watch that. If you're not a member of Team DeAngelo, definitely make sure you go check it out. That's where I put all my training at on how I make 6 figures a year. But that is pretty much it, guys. If you got any questions, simply drop them down below.